Jam Gadang is a prominent landmark in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra, known for its historical and architectural significance. Built in 1926 during the Dutch colonial period, this log tower was a gift to commemorate Queen Wilhelmina Reich. Standing at 26 meters tall, Jam Gadang features a blend of Europe and Middle East architectural style with distinctive large clock face. Located at the heart of Bukit Tinggi, the clock tower is surrounded by spacious park where visitors can enjoy leisurely walk, relax, and take our photo. The tower itself is beautifully illuminated at night, offering a stunning view that draws both local and tourists. Jam Gadang is not just a historical monument, but also a hub for social gathering event, making a must-visiting destination for everyone exploring Bukit Tinggi. Whether you visit during the lead up, Jam Gadang is symbol of the city heritage and charm.